Hello everyone, it's Anne here. Today I have a very fun and casual video for you. Hopefully you enjoy learning English through these kind of videos. Let me know if you do by giving this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I really enjoy watching unboxing videos. I don't know about you guys. A lot of people will do like an unboxing video where people share with you things that they've purchased, like either clothing items or food or just pretty much anything that they purchased and they share it with you. So you saw me carrying a huge box in my thumbnail. So today I'm going to share with you what's inside the box. Recently, I purchased something online and they're all just food, groceries, vitamins, things that I need. And, I'm not too much of an online shopper. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys prefer buying things online, shopping online, or do you prefer going to the store to buy things? For me personally, I think it's very convenient to buy things online because it saves us time and you don't have to leave the house and basically the items get delivered right to your front door, right? But for me, I still really enjoy going to the store and having that shopping experience, especially if I am buying like clothing or shoes. I just like to be able to touch the material. If we want to know if a piece of clothing suits us or if it fits us, we have to try it on. So I enjoy going to the store, especially if I'm buying clothes or shoes so that I can try it on. But yeah, I know some people prefer shopping online. They enjoy it because it's convenient, especially for working parents, I think, or people who are really busy. They enjoy that convenience. Yeah, so let's unbox and get into this video. By the way, this video is not sponsored and I'm not trying to promote anything here. I'm just simply trying to share with you what I recently purchased, and hopefully you can learn some common everyday English phrases through this video. Okay, all right, so I have a huge box here. Oh, this is really heavy. All right, let me get, so I have a pair of scissors. This is how I cut the box open. All right, we're gonna open up this box. Oh, this is kind of cool. So this online store that I purchased a lot of my groceries from, one of the things that I like about them is that they're very eco-friendly. So they're very careful with their packaging and they're trying to reduce waste. Here it says 100% recyclable and sent with carbon neutral shipping. So yeah, a lot of their materials are, environmentally friendly. Oh, wow. They use a lot of these recyclable paper to protect the item so it doesn't get spilled all over the box. First up, we have a toiletry item. This is a mouthwash, and toiletry is referring to things that we use to keep ourselves clean. So like soap, mouthwash, toothpaste, shampoo. So all those stuff are considered toiletry items. So this is a mouthwash for oral hygiene. So that means things that we do to keep our mouth clean and healthy. All right, next up we have seaweed. So this is a snack that I usually like to have in my pantry. Pantry is like a place in your kitchen where you have a lot of shelves and you keep all your food, canned goods or all the dry food, and that place is a pantry. So this is a seaweed snack that I like to have as a staple in my pantry. And staple is referring to anything like food or anything that you usually keep because we always eat it all the time. So for example, like if you guys like rice or pasta or noodle, bread, things that you would need or eat on a daily basis and you always have them in your kitchen, those food would be considered a staple. So seaweed here is a staple for me. I usually like to eat them just as it is, as a snack. or to sometimes wrap it in like fish or rice, and it's really good. So, and it's pretty healthy as well. So next up we have 2 vitamin D, and I am vitamin D deficient. So when you're deficient in certain minerals, that means that you don't have enough of it. So I'm deficient in vitamin D, so I take vitamin D supplements or vitamins to keep me healthy. So I got 2 of this. I also got multivitamin for women. There's 2 different pronunciations. Some people say multi, some people say multi, but I prefer to say multi, so multivitamin. For vitamin, we usually say take vitamins, or even for medicine, medication, we say take medicine. So take multivitamin, take medicine. Sometimes vitamin is referred to as diet supplement, And supplement just means that it's accompanying something. So we cannot take vitamin as like our primary food source, but this is just an additional, something to keep us healthy. So it's a dietary supplement. Next up, I got a beef broth, and broth is usually like the soup that is cooked from meat bones. And because I'm having some gut issues, so I was told that broth is good to heal the gut. So I got a beef broth. Oh, yeah. I got 2 free cans of sparkling water. So when I purchased my items, the website was having a promotion. A promotion is like a sale, like a discount. So like if I purchase over a certain amount of dollars, I get free stuff. So these are 2 free items that I got. And this is sparkling water. Sparkling water is like carbonated water. So it's just water, but it tastes like soda without all the sugar. And this one is, grapefruit, lavender, and ginger tea. Oh, okay. Oh, and I also got a free bag of artichokes. Cool. So this is an artichoke. I think it's a vegetable. And this is, a product of Peru. Okay. All right. I will try it out. When we try out something, it means that you try it for the first time. So if you were to, go to a new restaurant, we can say, oh, we tried out a new restaurant today, or I've never had this kind of artichoke. I've had artichokes, but not like in a package like this. So I said, oh, okay, I'll try it out. And I also got a bag of wild rice. I heard that wild rice is more nutrient dense. Nutrient dense means that it has more nutrient, it's more nutritious, and it's better for your health. So I got a bag of wild rice. So compared to like white rice, or I think even like brown rice, I guess wild rice is better for you. And because lately I've been trying to cut down on my carb intake. So cut down means to reduce the quantity of something. So I've been trying to cut down on my carb intake. Carb is short for carbohydrate. So things like bread, rice, noodles, those are all considered carbohydrate. But I've been trying to cut down on my carbs. And so I bought a small bag of wild rice. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah, I bought a bottle of fish sauce. I've never used fish sauce before. I mean, it's never been a condiment in my kitchen, but I thought I'd give it a try because I know a lot of the cuisines, like a lot of the dishes from Vietnam uses fish sauce. And not only Vietnam, but I think a lot of the Southeast Asian countries use fish sauce. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I just got a bottle of it to try it out. So fish sauce. What's this? Oh yeah, I got a bottle of sweet chili sauce as well. And I usually don't buy this, but I don't know why I did. I just wanted to try it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of spicy food just because I can't take the spiciness and it just gets me sick. But when I say huge fan of something, that means that I'm not really into it, or I don't really enjoy, I don't really like it. But yeah, but sometimes, once in a while, depending on the food that I eat, I like to have that kick. So when you have a kick, that means that you taste a little bit of that bold flavor or that spicy flavor, but it's not like overly spicy, like to a point where you cannot take it.